Take a ride in the 2025 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, power windows with safety reverse, active grille shutters, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, rear view camera. Come take a test drive today.